How's it going, everyone? Welcome to the ultimate guide on resetting the maintenance light for your 2021 to 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross. So, when driving your Toyota Yaris Cross, you might encounter the maintenance light illuminating on the dashboard. Understanding how to reset this light is crucial to ensuring your vehicle operates optimally. So now, we'll get started here. Step 1. Turn on your car. Step 2. Use the up or down navigation button on the steering wheel to highlight the gear icon. Step 3. Use the right navigation button to find the vehicle settings. Step 4. Hold down the OK button to enter the menu. Step 5. Go down to Oil Maintenance and press OK. Step 6. Select Yes to confirm the reset data, and you're done. So that's how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Share this video with fellow Toyota Yaris Cross owners who might benefit from this maintenance tip. Thanks for your time and see you next time.